Welcome to Build Your 3D. If you've ever built a frame, a custom structure, furniture, a machine prototype, or a DIY project, you've probably needed a connector that simply didn't exist in the right size. Searching for compatible connectors can be frustrating, especially when working with custom tube diameters or profile dimensions. That's exactly why we created the Universal Connector Generator. Overview 030 to 115. Show the configurator and slowly scroll through the product page. This online configurator allows you to generate fully customized connectors for both round tubes and rectangular profiles. Instead of using fixed dimensions, every connector is generated specifically for your project. The configurator includes 10 different connector variants. 5 connectors are designed for round tubes, and 5 are designed for rectangular profiles. Depending on your application, you can create straight connectors, T-connectors, corner connectors, cross connectors, 6-way connectors, and connectors with predefined angles. Whether you're building furniture, exhibition stands, machine frames, greenhouse structures, robotics projects, or custom constructions, Build Your 3D makes it easy to create the connector you need. Let's create a custom connector. First, we'll choose the connector type. For this example, we'll select Cross XY, creating a 4-way connector in the X and Y directions. Next, we'll choose the profile type. The configurator supports both round tubes and rectangular profiles. For this example, we'll select round. Now we'll define the tube diameter. We'll enter 20 millimeters. If you're using rectangular profiles instead, you can also specify the profile width and height independently. Next comes the insertion depth. We'll use 38 millimeters. This determines how far each tube is inserted into the connector, providing a secure and stable connection. Finally, we'll define the wall thickness. Choosing the correct wall thickness helps balance strength, weight, and printing time. After entering the parameters, simply click Update Preview. Within seconds, the configurator generates a completely new connector based on your dimensions. There's no need for CAD software, manual modeling, or complicated sketches. Simply enter your measurements and Build Your 3D creates the geometry automatically. The interactive 3D viewer lets you inspect your connector from every angle. Rotate the model. Zoom in to verify the tube openings. Check the insertion depth. Confirm the overall proportions before manufacturing or 3D printing. The preview represents the exact geometry generated from your selected parameters. Whether you're creating custom furniture, workshop fixtures, machine frames, greenhouse structures, display systems, robotics projects, or DIY constructions, Build Your 3D allows you to generate custom tube and profile connectors in just a few clicks. Choose from 10 different connector designs, customize them to your exact dimensions, and generate ready-to-print STL files within seconds. Visit buildyour3d.com to explore our growing collection of parametric 3D models and start creating your own custom connectors today. Thanks for watching.